Today we're going to learn how to make an easy jet airplane. So the first step to doing it is fold it horizontally like that, like a hot dog, and then it's kind of like the first airplane video, but it's just a little different. So do the same steps. So you fold that corner in, and then you fold this corner in right here too. So it should look like that right now. And then, but right here, you take the end right here and you flip this over, and then you match it up with that line that's going right through there. And then put it down, and then do the same thing with the other side. And then, so now it should look like this. Now it should look like this, and now just flip it over like that. So it kind of looks like a cone, but now you just make wings on it. So you can go like, you try to make like skinnier wings, not like big long ones, but like try to make them like long and skinny wings. So now it should look like that. Thanks for watching.